I'm a chemical engineer traveling for work, working long hours, going from one country to another. Airports, hotels, early mornings. But at the same time, I'm building an online business from anywhere in the world. And today I'm going to show you what actually works in affiliate marketing in 2026 and what is completely dead. Now, I'm not one of those guys that started online with no job. I still work a 9 to 5 in the mining industry. Sometimes I'm in Nicaragua, sometimes Honduras, sometimes just in a hotel room working late at night. And instead of wasting time scrolling on my phone, I decided to start using those small gaps in my day to build something online. And that's when I got into affiliate marketing. But let me save you a lot of time because a lot of the old methods people still talk about don't really work anymore. For example, Amazon affiliate marketing. Yes, it still works, but not for most people. Commissions are super low, sometimes 5%, sometimes even less. That means you need a massive amount of sales just to make decent money. And now with AI showing answers directly in Google, getting traffic is even harder. People don't even click on websites like before. Another method that used to work really well is blogging, creating review websites, ranking on Google, promoting ClickBank products. That worked years ago. But now with AI, competition is insane. It takes too much time, too much effort, and for beginners, it's just not realistic anymore. So if those methods are not working, what actually works right now? The biggest shift is this. People don't trust websites anymore. People trust people. And that's why personal branding is the number one strategy right now. That's literally what I'm doing. I document my life, traveling for work, working on my laptop, learning new skills, going to the gym, being consistent. And inside that content, I promote tools and products that I actually use. You can do this on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. And the best part is it's free. You don't need a big budget. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to start. And look, I'm not some guru. I'm just someone who decided that instead of wasting time, I was going to build something. Even if it's just 1 hour per day. Even if it's late at night. Even if I'm tired after work. That consistency is what makes the difference. Now, here's the real strategy most people don't understand. Don't just send people directly to an affiliate link. That doesn't work like before. What works now is giving value first. You create something simple, a free guide, a free training, something that helps people. And inside that, you recommend the tools you use. For example, someone watches your video, they see your lifestyle, they see you working on your laptop, and they get curious. They click your link and you show them exactly how you are doing it. The tools, the platforms, the systems. That's where affiliate marketing actually works. And this is where things really start to change. When you build an email list, because now you are not depending on algorithms anymore. You can send value, build trust, and promote products over time. This is how you create something that actually grows. Now, if you want to go to the next level, there's paid ads. That's what the big players are doing. Running ads to affiliate products, scaling fast, making big money. But honestly, if you're just starting, don't start there. First, build your brand, build trust, learn the game, then later you can scale. Look, you don't need to quit your job. You don't need to have everything figured out. You just need to start. I'm still working my 9 to 5. I'm still traveling. I'm still learning. But every single day, I'm building something that is mine. And if you're watching this right now, you can do the same. If you want to learn how I'm doing this, check the links below. And I'll see you in the next video. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.